Hello everyone. So in the last video we have seen a method, a function in which we can pass to integer values, and we can add the total. We can get the total value and we can convert into a string value because we have to print the string, right? String concatenation, and we return a value that is saying, okay, the total of the numbers is this. Okay. So in today's video we will write a method, okay, a common method that can do addition, multiplication and subtraction. Sorry, addition, subtraction and multiplication. Okay, addition, subtraction and multiplication. Division I don't do now, there's a reason for that, we will talk about that later. For the moment, this common method can do three things, but how it will decide whether I have to do addition or subtraction or multiplication. That input we will ask from the user. That means we are again going to take two integer values from the user, but this time we are not limited with addition. We are giving the option to user whether you want the addition operation or subtraction operation or multiplication operation. So from that option we will option to user mean when we call the method we will give that option, right? So from that option we will do the user's requirement. If he gives, okay, I want addition, we will return the addition value. If he says subtraction, we will return the subtraction value, and if he says multiplication, we will return the multiplied value. Okay, let's see how it works. So okay, so anyway, this is, let's say we can say this is a operator. Let's not operator, let's say calculate. Okay, so calculate means you know what it is, right? So it's going to do some calculation, either addition or subtraction or multiplication. So here these two numbers are not enough now as a parameters. We have to have another parameter that is going to give the option. Which option user wants, that parameter also should be passed. Okay, so what I am planning is we will let the user to say, okay, if he wants addition, pass A. If he wants subtraction, pass S. If he wants multiplication, pass M. So what are these things? These are single characters. Okay, so we can ask the user, please with the along with the numbers pass a character as well. So either A or S or M. Okay, so that we can do the requested or required or the preferred operation. Okay, so let's pass one more parameter here, a character parameter, and we will say the name as C, that means choice, the user's choice. Okay, so then what I will do is I will remove all these unnecessary things here. Okay, let's remove this also. Then what I will do is I will remove this everything and I will write the code now. Okay, so let's say if the character is A, so user is passing two integer values along with the character, that means character is option. Okay, the C value, if it is capital A, okay, character value is capital A, then I have to do addition. Okay, so first write that. Okay, so I will write an if condition where I will evaluate the character value. C is equal to A. So how do you pass the character value? Inside a single quote. Okay, then I will open and close the curly braces. Here, if the C value is character value, I want to return the addition value of the X and Y. So what I will do is I will first say int, okay, int result. That means whatever the calculated value. Okay, then result is the name I am giving. I can give R, X, A, B, anything. Cannot give X because I am using X here. I can give A, B, R, C, I can give A, B, R, P, Q, any name I can give. Okay, total or some, not total we cannot give because we are doing addition, subtraction, multiplication. No? So total means only addition. So I will give it as a result. Okay, this is the result, is the one we are going to return. Okay, so if C character is addition, that means user wants an addition operation to be done, then I will say result is equal to, what are the two numbers user is passing to us, X comma Y. Okay, so result is equal to X plus Y. Okay, then finally we will return the result. That means the integer final result will be returned. Okay, else what else he can give? S. He can give S. Okay, so I will write an else if okay, C is equal to S. C is equal to S. Then I will say result is equal to what? Which operation I have to do? Subtraction. So let's assume we will subtract the second number from the first number. That means x minus y. Okay, so I will do x minus y is equal to result. Okay, I will subtract y from x and assign it to results. Then let's go for the third option. What is the third option? Multiplication. So I will say else if okay, C is equal to m, character m. Okay, then result value should be what? X into y, multiplied value. Okay, I will say result is equal to x into y. Okay, result is equal to x into y. So all the three scenarios are covered. Okay, if C is equal to a, I will say result is equal to x plus y. Else if I will say whatever x minus y. Else if if it is subtraction, we will assign x minus y to result. If it is multiplication, we will assign x into y to result, multiplied value. Then simply we can return the result value. Okay. how to return? Sorry guys, return result. Okay, is that clear? Okay, I will try to remove unnecessary spaces so that I can see this in one view. Okay, so this result is the one we define as integer here. Okay, so anyway, user can pass one character only, right? Either a, s or m. So any of this condition might be fulfilled and the result value will be assigned. Okay, for any of whatever the condition is fulfilled, the respective result value will be assigned and the result will be returned. Okay, so that's fine. So I'm going to call the method here. So we know result is an integer value and I'm going to return the result. Okay, so the result since I am returning an integer value, the return type should be int. It cannot be string, because earlier we got the result value and we concatenated it into a string and returned, but now I'm just calculating and return the result. Okay, you get it? So because of that, my method data type or return type will be int. Okay, there will be no question on that. You know how to calculate the return type, right? Result is returning, result is an integer, so the method return type is int. So here in the void loop, I'm going to check the method. Okay, so first what I will do is I'm going to assign this return value to a variable. Okay, then I will say int let's say r. Okay, then I will assign the r, I will call the method and assign the value to r. Okay, so I will say calculate and the return value will be assigned to r and I have to pass the values. Okay, pass the parameters, arguments. Okay, so first I will pass, let's say, number 5, 10 as usual, and also let's say I want the addition scenario to be happening. Okay, so I will say, so let's name it as a since it is addition. Okay, integer variable a. So I will say 5, 10, comma, here I will pass character a. So when I pass character a, I have to pass within single quotes. Okay, so now this 5 will be passed in x location, 10 will be passed in y location, and character a will be passed in c location, and this if condition will be completed because a is the one I passed. So added addition value should be the result value, right? So since this if condition is true, both of them will be skipped, else if will be skipped, and the result will be returned. Okay, logically talking, that is it. But it is just returning value, right? Not printing, right? It is just returning value. So since we return the value, we store it in another variable called a inside the void loop, and what I'm willing to do is I'm going to print the value. Okay guys, serial dot begin, I'm going to print. Okay, so we will call the other scenarios as well, subtraction and multiplication. We will see in the next video guys. Just follow me up in the next video.